Welcome back. I just finished building this boat and I'm about to launch it. First, let me show you how I built it. So, I built it mostly out of pallet boards. So, the sides here in the back are all pallet boards and the seat is pallet boards. And the bottom of the boat is interior luan, which is coated in fiberglass. I made this paddle completely out of pallet wood, and then I coated it in fiberglass resin.
What type of boat is it?
Scow. Scow. I think it's a flat scow.
It works!
It does.
Wow.
It works really well.
Wow. Awesome. That's very impressive.
And this paddle works very well.
Yeah, let's keep it.
Just keep going.
Go around in circles.
I was just impressed that it was all pallets from the hardware store and leftover plywood and fiberglass resin.
Yeah, even the paddle.
Nice.
Like in getting to the shore. Now get right here, Cal. I'm like, 14. She gets this dry stuff.